Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video.
Welcome to Tia's world, welcome to Tia's world. Got my 4 boys with me and we bout to see the world. Welcome to Tia's world, welcome to Tia's world. I got 4 boys with me and they bout to see the world. I got Jeremiah, cousin Cairo, and Zion. Jeremiah, cousin Cairo, and Zion. Jeremiah, cousin Cairo, and Zion. Welcome to Tia's world, welcome to Tia's world. I got my 4 boys with me, bout to see the world. Welcome to Tia's world, welcome to Tia's world. I got my 4 boys with me, we bout to see the world. Yeah, we bout to see the world. Welcome to Tia's world. Like and subscribe, please like and subscribe.
Okay, guys, so right now I am in the kitchen. It is actually still morning time, but it's late in the morning. I took a nice shower, so I feel so much better. The boys are sleeping. Zion and Cairo are sleeping. Jeremiah's on his tablet in his room, and Kaiser is in the other room. So everybody's quiet right now. So I wanted to pick up the camera and get on here and say what's up. I am going to get some things done today. It's gonna be probably just a whatever vlog, so I'll probably just film myself cooking. Tonight is gonna be barbecue chicken, and it's going to be white rice and maybe like some broccoli. Is there broccoli in here? No. So I gotta get some broccoli too. So yeah, so it'll probably be white rice and broccoli. I think that'll be good with the chicken. And maybe corn, I don't know, but definitely will be white rice and barbecue chicken. I have the chicken thawing out right here. Have 2 packs of these, so that should be just enough for us to eat barbecue chicken tonight. Wash my hands. Touching my chicken. I'm trying not to talk loud because I don't want the boys to get up, because this is the time I'm able to get stuff done. So I have to pack an order. I have to pack a few orders. Thank you guys for shopping A14 Glam. If you haven't, make sure you guys check out the link. I'll leave it somewhere down here. www.a14glams.com. Support your girl. What else? I really do appreciate you guys, whether you guys watch my videos or not. Anyway, so that's enough for me. Just watching my videos, commenting. Shout out to my cousin. I didn't even know she watched my videos. I love you. I appreciate all y'all. Just watching my videos. It helps our channel out. And I just love filming and vlogging when I can. I know I'm all over the place with filming and not filming because I've just been trying to get a lot of things in order. I've been doing my business and stuff like that on the side, trying to build that, you know, brand and stuff like that. Here's Jeremiah.
And this is, we could play any game in this game. Look, we could press this or play something, and you see it connect. You press, and then if you get one.
Okay, there we go. So he's playing his game right now. Excuse the noise in the background. They're cutting the grass outside, and I decided to pick up the camera, of course, at the same time, but whatever. I'm getting ready to let that thaw out. I am going to go through some of my stuff. I want to get me a bin, so I don't think I'm going to get it today, but if I do, I'll film it. Go sit down, please.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, go sit down. We're getting a bed. Okay.
Can I have that ice cream thing?
This boy eat all day, y'all. No, you're going to eat the rest of this eggs and bacon that I made. So I made eggs and bacon. I made turkey bacon, y'all. I can't get with it. I tried it. Can't get with it. But that's what was in the refrigerator, so that's what I made. They really didn't even eat it. That's why you can still see it's still here. It's better than the bacon that we eat, I know. But, so he gonna reheat this and he gonna eat some of these eggs. I know that. He don't gotta eat the bacon though if he don't wanna eat it. It's not nasty, but it's just like a, it's like it's a dog treat. And you're just chewing on it. It's like rubbery.
Can ice cream come back in?
No, I told you that. But he tries to ask me things when I'm on the camera. He tries to, when I get on the phone or I'm on the camera, he tries to ask me things that he knows he thinks I'm going to say yes to because I want to get the stuff done on the camera and stuff like that. So he'll try to sneak in a thing or two right quick so he can get his way. But no, leave this alone. We'll have to see finish rolling a tab, but this is quiet time. So yeah, let me put the camera down, make him a snack, and then I'm gonna go get some work done because I have to get these packages shipped out to you guys. I also have to get to people that ordered, and then I have to get a lot of things. So we'll keep you guys posted on what's going on. But for now, I gotta go.
I'll get the packet.
No, that's gonna stay there. Yeah, I had ordered them some. I'll show you guys some their initials. Sit down. Watch your hands on the table. Jeremiah, no.
I can't be in the
Yes, but I'm talking, so you can't keep taking it while I'm talking. Okay? It's rude. It's rude. Thank you. Should you be sitting on the table?
Oh no. What?
Sorry, y'all. So, this is a good angle. I'm gonna start filming from here. I gotta get a nice picture to put back here, but this is a nice angle to film. All right, so I got this little thing from Amazon. It's just a 5. I didn't even open it yet, so I hope it looks decent. It's just black picture frames. I think I paid $30 for 5, and they're 11 by 14. I got them because I had ordered them their initials, which I'll show you guys once it's done, but I'm gonna unbox this with y'all. Just show you so y'all can see what I got. Sorry, Jeremiah. Anyway, so yeah, I got this 5-piece set, and I got them their initials for to go over their bag. I don't want to make too much noise. So it's basically just you'll see it later when it's actually in the car right now, so I have to get it, but I'll show you guys. See. Yes, y'all, I got my real purse. It's just comfortable. Okay, so this is what it looks like. They're picture frames. Y'all know what picture frames look like, but I'm gonna show y'all because y'all film it. Alright, so this is the 5 picture frames. I got it from, I don't even know what the company, who's the company. We'll see right now. This is not paid promotion, so if y'all want to start paying the girl, hit me up. So this is I guess lifetime warranty, and I guess these are the little screws here, and then basically this is what they look like. Oh, here's a better picture. So basically it's 11 by 14. Once you take this white part off, and then if you want to put an 8 by 10 frame, you put this white part back in, and then you can use an 8. So it could be either 11 by 14 or it could be 8 by 10. All right, so this is this is what it looks like, y'all. I got 5 of them. I only need the 4, but you know, I'll get a nice family portrait and I'll put it in the extra one and put it somewhere. So yeah, so basically this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put their initials in it, and it'll be JKVC, and it'll be over their beds. Their room is black and white, so that's kind of the theme. Not today. So that their room is black and white, so that's why I got the black frame to go, and then the initials. You'll see the initials later. Not today. Another video. Once I put the frame up, and actually you guys will get the whole picture, the idea of how I want to do it. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get some work done, and I'll be back later, probably when I start marinating the chicken for dinner.
Mommy, when you're done talking.
So yeah, so I ended up ordering pizza. Carl finally went to sleep. The kids been just running me ragged all day today, so I am so tired.
Guys, I'm gonna show you something. Guys, look.
So, in fact, scratch that. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the pizza shop when it comes. So yeah, I guess I'll be back once the pizza gets here. Expensive ass pizza. Like, I'm really annoyed that I bought that. I'm really mad at myself, but I'm like, okay, I haven't had it in so long, and now that I spent, watch, it don't even be good. Just watch, it won't even be good. I'm not even trying to put the energy out there, so let me scratch that. It's gonna be good. I'm not gonna even stress myself out. It is what it is. I ordered the pizza. I wanted it. I ordered it, and yeah, she tired, but they playing now. I'm gonna finish watching my TV show, 13 Reasons season 4. Shout out to my nephew Dennis for putting me on to it in the first place, and then catching me back up because I didn't even know they had season 4 out yet. So I'm on season 4, and it's alright so far. So it's like it got me anxious. Like I just want to know already, like what's up. But so that's on Netflix. So I'm gonna go finish watching that until my pizza comes. Till our pizza comes. Feed them, bathe them. Good night. Sayonara. See you in the morning for them. So she gonna go get a nice glass of wine, and I'm gonna chill out. I have on pajamas, y'all, so don't think that I don't have anything under this. I have pajamas on, and yeah. So, I started cleaning up and stuff like that. I was doing good, and then my whole vibe just was like, the kids was just going back and forth. I'm just being real with y'all. I'm tired. Back and forth. They were fighting. Cairo with the toilet. Messing with the toilet. Messing with the cleaning. The cabinet. So I have to constantly keep moving the stuff from the cabinet. Touching everything. Just being a 1-year-old, y'all. Which is understandable. But oh my gosh. Times 10. So he's like 5 1-year-olds in one. That's how busy he is. Anyway, he's asleep. Hopefully he'll give me a good hour to relax. I'm really tired. So I'll see you guys. I'm just rambling because I'm tired. I'll see y'all once the pizza gets here. I'll show you guys what I got. I get simple stuff. Pepperoni, plain, chicken, and garlic knots. So these are the security stickers. Thank God they have those. So I got some jalapeno bites. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Basically like that. Some cheese or something. I don't know. It looked good on the app. So let's move that. I got some stickers. We also got Papa John's. We came up to a lot of money, but this is why, because I ordered too much stuff. I got some buffalo. I guess these are the 10-piece buffalo bites. So these are the 10-piece buffalo bites. 10-piece buffalo bites.
And soda.
We also got this is a tray. I took the lid off of the barbecue chicken. So
that's so pretty, huh?
Don't touch this hot. There's the barbecue chicken. So that's still bacon. I just flipped them over so the other side can cold.
And this
just boneless chicken. So that. These over here are the buffalo ones. That is what they look like. Close that up. Over here are the jalapeno poppers. You guys can see. Over here, I don't even know what this is. This is the garlic knots. Okay, so these are garlic knots, Papa John's brand. And yeah. This is just some plain cheese pizza with the garlic sauce. They give that signature jalapeno over there, pepper. And then this over here is my favorite, pepperoni. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna feed the kids right now because I am tired and I want them to go to sleep too. So. I'm gonna have to feed them, and I also got a soda, a ginger ale, because nothing better than eating something like this with a soda. So it's a receipt. So I'm gonna feed them now, and I'm gonna get them to bed. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all. Until next time. Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna put y'all up here. Let's see if this works. It does not. I'll put y'all on my wall. Okay. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video. Right now, I am so last time I gotta bring in the house. Those are bottles to recycle. I might just go now and do that now, since I have the extra time now, to get some things done. I'm supposed to be going to get my nails done, I'm waiting for one place to see. A lot of places are by appointment only. I have not gotten my nails done in years. Like literally, I don't even know.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up.